Larry Dirk, and I'm Miller's assistant. When I first arrive at the press in the morning, I first come into the tank room where the malaxer and all the equipment is, and I make sure everything is ready for the miller. As soon as they bring in the fruit, I weigh the fruit. We have charts that we mark down the block, the fruit, the tonnage, the weight, and then we dump it in a hopper, and it goes up a conveyor belt, drops into a bath. From the bath, it goes to another little conveyor belt, and it's washed again. And then it drops into the hopper that goes up to the crusher. And from the crusher, it comes inside, and that's where the miller takes over. We mill our fruit the day it is brought in. Everything is clean and fresh and contained correctly, in the right temperature, bottled in the great bottles we have. We take it to a science. You want everything nice, you're putting it on a table for somebody, and that's important, It's important to know that. What olive oil means to me is it's so much reflects life, and what you put into it is what you're going to get out. And at Pasolivo, we put a lot into it.